Hi everyone, this is Professor Benjamin, and the purpose of this video is to give you a walkthrough of your final assignment for the semester, the religion assignment. So this assignment will probably be the easiest assignment that you have to submit all semester, so of course I expect your best work on this assignment, and you can have a little fun with it because it allows you to use your creative or artistry type side in order to create it. So the objective of this assignment is for you to learn and present information about a religion from the list below. You'll be required to use images and a brief written text to describe the major features of the religion, okay? So right there is the learning outcomes, and the direction is this. You're going to create a PowerPoint about the religion from the list below. Your PowerPoint should be between 5 and 10 slides, and the required components of the PowerPoint, so you can make a slide for each item or you could combine, but you need to have at least 5 to 10 slides. So your PowerPoint must include the name of the religion, the place, and time the religion originated or first developed, include a map showing the location of the origin, the locations where the religion has diffused or dispersed, and this really ties to one of the learning outcomes for this course. So, has it spread? Where has it spread? Is it an online religion? So I would like you to discuss that. Include a map showing present day spread of the religion, symbols of or associated with the religion, and so I would like you to include, and I think in the rubric I have where do I have it? I think I have a couple. I think I have how many you need to include, the name of the religion, 2 or more symbols of the religion. So you need to make sure you include 2 or more symbols of the religion, a brief description of the religion, and what I mean in a paragraph, at least 200 words. The description can include information about the major text or scripture of the religion, the main beliefs, organizational structure, any particular characteristics. Is it localized? Are there deities, different groups, or sects? Is it associated with a particular ethnic group, nationality, language, or other cultural attributes? So there's a lot that you could expand upon to make that 200 words. You're also going to write a brief description of any conflicts within the religion or between the followers of the religion and others. So if you find that there was some sort of internal conflict that caused a division to happen in that religion, then you could discuss that. And then, of course, you're going to include references. So don't forget, in here, in this 200-word area, you want to make sure you include references. As always in this class, we always include references. And then on your last slide, you definitely need to have your sources that you use to create this PowerPoint. Make sure it's in MLA formatting. And you, of course, at least for everything in this class, at least 2 sources have to be used. So here are your choices of religions, and I know some of them may be foreign to you. Some of them actually may be very familiar to you because maybe you practice that religion. If you practice one of the religions from this list, then I really suggest that you pick something else because listen, learning about other things is the way that we become, we have more empathy for other individuals, and we kind of learn about them a little bit. So I would suggest that if you are familiar with one of the religions on this list, that you try and pick a different religion from the list. So Scientology, Pastafarianism, and so there are some religions on here that are a little bit online religion or cult type following, what they call cult type following. So Raelism, Jainism, Baha'i, Zoroastrianism, paganism, Santeria, Rastafarian. So Rastafarian, though, a lot of people, it falls into 2 categories. So some people say it's not a religion. It's just a way of life. But for the purpose of this course, I'm going to call it a religion because really under most sources, it calls it a religion, but it can be considered just a way of life. So that's the list. You have to pick one from that list. Some of these will have less information than others. So if it is something that has less information that you feel like you can't get enough information to be able to complete your project, then you probably want to pick a different religion. As always, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to me. Please take a look at the rubric below to make sure that you are checking off your boxes. This is your last assignment. It is a way that you can receive an A as we move towards the end of the semester. And I hope this video walkthrough was able to help you answer some of your questions about the final assignment.